Guess what time it is, everybody? It's time for the pie eating challenge. Welcome back to Home Life with Rebecca. Like Kennedy said, it is time for our traditional pie eating challenge. So I've got 8 pies here. I think all 6 of my kids are participating and one of the kids' friends, and then I got an extra one in case we had any other kiddos show up, but I think it's only going to be 7 today. Kennedy is making sure that she gets a pumpkin pie one. We've got 2 pumpkin pies, a cinnamon cake, a chocolate cake, a blueberry, 2 lemons. Oh, we have 2 cinnamon cakes. Okay, put them back. And I also got a very special prize for the winner. So this will be our 6th year doing it. The very first year, Allie won, and then the last 4 years, Parker's won. But there could be a new winner today. Okay, everybody's picking their pies. We have 2 left. Oh, you have to pick between cinnamon and cinnamon.
Awesome.
This is the first year in 3 years that Allie's participated.
Hey, I do.
The only rule is you have to put your hands behind your back.
Yeah, then I Cooper's in the way.
The table needs
Cooper!
Mom, then I can't leave.
Come on, Cooper.
Okay, then stand up. You don't have to kneel.
But then it...
Yeah, you're fine. And I do have a prize for the winner.
Alright, go Lego.
On your mark. Get set.
Go.
So scary.
Go, Kennedy! Oh my god. I can't even see
Parker's face.
Mom.
Parker's already done.
Channel a second. Good job, guys. That was disgusting.
Oh.
Okay, first place gets a tree ring ring. And second place gets a Kit Kat. Wait, that's so
Did you?
Alright guys, that's it. Christmas Teddy is bye. That's the whole vlog. That's the whole vlog. Bye.